Would you like to get a makeover from this to this on your YouTube videos? Would you like to look like a rose or a peach or like these fair complexion ladies in these two paintings by Vermeer? Well, if you are interested, then this video is for you.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because...
Welcome back. I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai, India. My website is www.orthobiologicsurgeryindia.com. My main interests in orthopedic surgery are stem cell treatment of bone, cartilage, ligament and tendon. I am very motivated to help young people with knee pain get rid of their knee pain and enjoy productive lives. You can see all my patient testimonials on my website www.orthobiologicsurgeryindia.com. In my spare time during these corona days, I make videos. My videos are mainly do-it-yourself videos, in the sense that I wouldn't like to recommend products which you have to buy. I know it's very difficult for you to go out to the market and get things when you can't get vegetables. How can you go and get photography product? So most of my videos are do-it-yourself videos, like teleprompters, teleprompter hoods, overhead video recording rigs, then smart glass teaching. You can see a list of them on my YouTube channel, Madras. There are several playlists. You can see them all on my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJRC. Coming to this video is going to be about professional makeup for people, even for men. It's not only for women. Professional makeup for men who like to look good, on YouTube channel. By looking good and delivering good content, you will stand out amongst all the videos and you will attract people like a magnet. Of course, the main things of a good video are sound and light. I am recording sound with a lav mic, and I've got two professional lights. But of course, the demeanor and the complexion and the appearance of the presenter does count. Who would like to look at a person with an oily face, with sweat pouring down his cheeks? Who would like to look at that? Well, doesn't mean that you have to get a professional makeup every time. Honestly, I got this makeup kit about a couple of years back when I was really zealous of appearing good on YouTube. I used to use this makeup for recording all the professional videos on my subjects like joint replacement, ACL reconstruction and all that. That went on for about 6 months to a year. Since then, honestly, I don't apply makeup. The makeup kit is just lying with me. But when I record video, I do take care to see that there is no sweat. It can be hot in Chennai these days in May. I wipe the sweat off tissue with a tissue or a handkerchief like this. And if I have not shaved, I would take care that I shave myself. And if my forehead or cheeks appear oily, I'll dab some powder over these areas. These are the only cosmetic precautions which I take before recording a video, but I try to do that all the times. It may not be possible all times. When the light is good, you can get away with it. But generally speaking, this is what I do. You will see my professional makeup session in this video. It was recorded 2 years back. I went to a mall where they were selling beauty products, and I purchased Kryolan makeup items, including brushes, everything. The salient features, the key features of a makeup are from beginning to end. I'll enumerate them and you will see them by yourself in this video. Firstly, when you go into a salon or a makeup studio, it should be air conditioned. They will ensure that you wipe off the sweat and oil. You can get a face washed. Before applying makeup, it is better to apply some rose water on your face, and maybe even before that you could apply a mask on your face to peel off the dead skin, and then wash your face with the rose water. Rose water acts like an astringent. Use sandal soap, and then when you start your makeup, once again dab your face with a facial tissue and then let it dry, and then start your makeup. The makeup starts with coloring the skin. The fundamental, the bottommost layer for coloring the skin is something called
concealer.
then you apply the base makeup. The first layer is applied with a thin brush, and the second layer is applied with a broader brush. This will apply the basal layer, and your cheeks will and your face will look pink. After your skin has been colored, then it is time to touch up your eyebrows with eyebrow pencils, and then touch up your lips with lip gloss. I wouldn't advise or nobody advises lipstick for men, but some people are very adventurous and they like to look, they even put lipstick on their lips. It's for them. That's it. After that, you're ready to present yourselves. When you have your makeup done, be sure that the atmosphere around you is cold. Turn on the air conditioning. During the period of the video, just turn it off. Otherwise, if you are just the room is very hot, the makeup will start dripping, and you will have to wipe it time and again. So the surroundings around you need to be cool. After your video session has ended, go and wash it off. Wash it off with water, and then there is a makeup cleanser. After you applied there is a makeup cleanser to remove makeup. Wipe your face dry, and that's it. You're good to go. There won't be any chemicals left to irritate you. Otherwise, if you leave the makeup on, it can get some people with sensitive skin, it will get irritated, and that's it.
This is actually the concealer. Generally, you have any primer with you? Primer, moisturizer, nothing.
First time into makeup. Yesterday I read a little bit. Concealer, I know what it is. You have to put a primer first, no?
Yes.
So primer is what? Primer is a...
It's like completely a barrier between your skin and your makeup. So that will help your skin to maintain the same hydration as well as...
First we have to clean it and do something, no? Exfoliate pannala.
That is not everyday process. Just a cleanse, then your moisturizer. For everyday.
Exfoliate pannala not required.
That is like weekly once.
Weekly once.
Yeah. கொஞ்சம் ஹெவியாக இருந்தால் பரவாயில்லையா?
Big cover.
Actually, near the shades.
Exact வரல.
Hydrating primer. It even has a moisture in it. So whenever you start to apply your makeup, just apply this a very little. Just give a very slight, not heavily.
You can use the same brush for everything or different brushes?
Actually, a different brush.
With different
because the purpose is little
Different,
so
that is different. The color will become there.
Yes. Just a very light blend of the primer. Then after your primer, just start with your concealer.
Oh. You need to get a plate like that.
If it is there, then
I
when
don't
you are
know.
using two colors, it will be easy to apply.
Oh yeah, I know.
Just a concealer, especially under your eyes.
With a thin brush. Soft. You have to bring that also. I'm making a note of what are the things to buy. How long it will take?
Just 5 minutes of time.
Enough?
Yes,
Sure?
sure. The very first time you will be
Because-
taking too much of time.
Yeah.
When you are doing by yourself, then you will get practice to it and you can take more than 2 minutes. Because it's just going to be a base makeup, right? For girls, generally we do all the other makeups and children, so it will take too much of time. When you are just doing your base, it will not take much time. Till you learn, it will take too much of time.
So I'll give half an hour.
You need to even make the product to get set in your skin. For that, at least 15-20 minutes you need to leave. Just to conceal here and there, that's the darkness very lightly. Then you can start doing the skin color everywhere. When you're keeping the skin color, you can just blend it everywhere, keep the dot everywhere, and then you can start to blend it.
Like applying paint. And then spread it with the soft layer.
I'll
We
just
have to do it at a certain daylight, no? What same thing what we are going to use for our TV, same light we have
If
to
it
use.
is
No?
there, it is much better.
I have got a ring light.
Yeah, then it is perfect.
And the ring light which is the makeup panno. You should not do it without that. Different, give a different day. But for the ring light we need a certain kind of mirror, no?
If you have any mirror like this, then you can start
Okay.
doing in this.
The ring light should face me.
Yeah.
Okay.
See this one half, I added one different color here. I will do a different color beige.
Oh.
You can see which gives you more brighter look, then we can do that.
Different. One of Shivan, one of Parvati. Like that.
No, actually we need to see the color of the
Which
product.
matches.
Yeah.
Brighter.
Because after some time when it is getting settled down, it is giving you a little different color. It will give you a little different tone. actually now is it.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can just have a seat there, so
Just looking how the
Hey, record ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
though this product is completely silicone based, it doesn't stick on your mustache and beard also. So you don't want to do that doing many It is self-setting product, you don't want to apply any powder for this. But then though if your program is like too long time,
Half an hour.
then actually this is more than enough. Then too, if you feel like it is too hot and you feel too much of
It will be hot.
sweating, then you need to actually touch up with the powder. Generally it is not required with that. You can just see both the sides. If you feel better with this color, I can just give you this. If you want to change some more color, more brighter also, you can do it actually.
ಇದು ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
The yellow one is actually better.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು
it makes video.
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Photo open.
என்ன பண்ண இப்போ
Record item.
ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ this is better. This is better. Yellow one is better.
Yes.
This is pink one, it's not better. Here the eyeshadow is slightly better. Here this still
We'll give you a little more concealer.
you need a little bit more concealer. Okay.
கொஞ்சம் நல்லா ஹெவியாக இருந்தால் பரவாயில்லையா கொஞ்சம் லைட்டாக
Big cover.
actually near the shades now.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿದೆ.
If you want to take bigger also, you can take that. And this small bristles will be for concealing, just to apply this. Wherever you have the spots, you can put it there.
Tell me what, this is the foundation, no?
Concealer.
Where is the foundation?
This is a foundation.
Oh, this is okay.
Foundation will come like this. Concealer will come like
No,
this.
which
Small
comes
pot.
first?
Concealer.
concealer.
The small pot you will get. That pot will be the concealer, and that you have to wait
This
for
is this with the small brush.
Yes.
And this one,
That is for the bigger one, and you can use the bigger brush.
this is the foundation.
Yes.
For the prime, we don't need it.
Primer with the same brush you can do it. With the same brush, because in the beginning you will not have a color. So then you can use it. Then once you use it, the same day try.
I hope this video was informative. It took a foray into a different field altogether. Instead of lights, cameras, action, mics, teleprompters and all that. If you did find it informative, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC, click the bell icon below so that you will receive a notification when I upload a video like this in future. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and good health be with you. Cheers.